Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome, and please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. Please do well to subscribe so you don't miss out on my weekly juicy videos. If you want to know how I achieved this beautiful pink matte classic soft glam for Valentine, keep watching this video to the end. I got you covered. Let's get right in. I started off by applying my moisturizer, Bomb and Cosmetics. I will allow that to dry down, and then I'm going in with this mattifying primer, and this is called Gentle Dove. It's also a Nigerian brand. I scoop a little of this out, apply this on my face, only on the areas where I usually observe oil. For a long-lasting effect, it is very important for you to know your skin type and for you to invest in products that will make your makeup to last long. And this one right here is still very affordable for you to get, okay? You can see how matte my skin is looking. For foundation, I'll be using these two foundation. And this is the Juvia's Place foundation, and this is the Loretto Match. No, no question. This is a Nigerian brand, Flawless Eye Setting Spray. For concealer, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Hello, so if you want to know how to properly highlight, how to apply your concealer, your highlight and your contour and your blush, what's the best position for that, I have a video of that. Go check it out as a professional video, like how to blend like a pro. My melanin powder to set my entire face, and this is in the shade Deep. This is my usual shade for melanin powder. With cinnamon. This is Miracle Cosmetics powder.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Over the years, I've also learned to manage my products. So the excess remaining on my mixing palette from highlight and contour, I just applied it on my eye base as my
eyeshadow primer base. Okay, so that's the essences of the concealer remaining, so I just applied it, and then I went in with the transition color. I love the orange shade, so I just applied that to warm up my crease, and I went in with matte pink eyeshadow, and then I later applied a little bit of dark purple at the outer corner of the eyes. One thing is sure, when blending your eyeshadow, make sure you go in with a fluffy brush. Make sure you first of all place the product before blending the product. Okay, take the product with a fluffy brush and place, then blend.
Fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Remember to subscribe to this channel, remember to love this video, remember to share this video with your family and your friends and your enemies and your frenemies. Okay, we have come to the end of today's Valentine makeup tutorial idea. Make yourself your own Valentine. I hope you enjoyed everything about this lovely, beautiful, matte, classic pink Valentine's makeup tutorial. Okay, don't look boring on that date you are planning to attend. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.